Hello, hello everyone. It's Sia from Heal Love Now, and I am joining you today live for the first time. And I'm so excited because I've got so much to share with you. And this is the beginning of all of the outpourings that I have on offer for you. We are starting today with live dynamic energy coming from my heart to yours in order to help you uplift, upgrade, and expand your life, mind, body, and soul. So today's topic is money. And we are going to talk about it from a totally different angle. Manifesting money is one of the most popular desires that folks come to YouTube with. And one thing I have not seen in my research as regards to a potent way of bringing money into your life quickly and easily and copiously and permanently is the method of making love to money. So let me explain what this method is. It's very simple, very straightforward, and you don't need anything but yourself and your desire. So every time you think about money, every time you pay bills, every time you buy something, every time you require funds, what I'd like you to do is allow yourself to become aroused. The energy of your sexuality, of your sensuality, is creative energy. It's potent, it's rich, it's natural, and it's beautiful. When you apply this energy to thoughts about money, to actions with regards to finances, to anything that has a monetary aspect, whether it be shopping, paying bills, um, loaning money, looking for money, wanting to expand your bank account, whatever it may be. If you bring your sensual self into that space where you hold money, phenomenal results will arise. So, if you think about the times when we apply sensual energy, they are usually confined to relationships that are romantic, uh, private spaces like the bedroom, or wherever you're engaged in intimacy in a very uh, closed, um, perhaps sacred space. However, what we're going to do here is we're going to bring that sensual energy, that sexuality into the everyday. into the realm of finances. It may seem disconnected or opposite, but the magic is bringing these two together is actually very, very natural, very organic, and very much a part of our human nature. Because our sexual energy, our sensuality is right in line with our creative potential, our aspirations for survival, for thriving, and for expanding. The energies that we are naturally inclined to manifest in our bodies when we are aroused are creative energies. So, this makes sensuality a perfect atmosphere for the creation and manifesting of money. A way to simplify it so that you can practice right away is take money, the concept, and bring it in as your lover. Allow yourself to make love to money. Give yourself permission to adore your financial flow in the form of currency. And do this by, throughout the day, whenever you hold money, or your cards, or your Apple Pay, Zelle, Venmo, what have you. Let yourself become aroused. Let your excitement arise in your body as if you are making love. While those sensual feelings well up within you, let them exude around the money that you're holding, sharing, spending, loaning, paying bills, however you're utilizing your money throughout the day. Bring that arousal into the moment and let it arise. This is going to have a tremendous effect on your relationship with money. It's going to be deeply healing, enlightening, uncovering of all the shadows that you may hold subconsciously around money, freeing up all the obstacles and blockages that you may be holding, preventing you from accessing your full abundance. This is going to create in you a magnetism whereby financial streams will be drawn to you. Money is an energy that has resonance with the energy of sensuality. It is exciting, it is dynamic, it is flowing, it is rich, wholesome, full of life. So when you pair it with that essence within you, that fluid, juicy, essential nature of you, miracles occur. Blessings untold unfold. So I would like you to try this today and tell me what you think. Tell me how it works for you. Go through your day whenever money comes up in any form or fashion, become aroused. And as you become aroused, allow that energy to rise up into your third eye so that you can fully embrace the true nature of abundance and move through the concept that money represents into a higher revelation of divine abundance and prosperity. So you hold that money or that credit card or pay that bill, you become aroused, you feel your sensuality exciting and arising, giving thanks, feeling wonderful, and then you spread it up to your third eye and you let it expand out into the universe as you become a profound magnet for prosperity. And a rich example to others of how to be in this world that is so defined by the concept of money. You become a transcendent force by which the free and pure energy of your natural self becomes your true currency. And watch money pour, pour, into your life, into your bank account, into your hands. In mutual gratitude, you and money making love will change the world. Thank you for joining me on my first live, and there's much more to come. Bless you. Peace.